Hey, what's up guys? What is velocity? So velocity tracking is often done in Agile software development in order to measure how much work is actually being completed within the interval. So in order to track velocity, the team need to decide on two things: the unit of work and the interval. The unit of work can be something like man hours, man days, or even something like the story points. In order to use this, the team then need to assign or estimate a number for each work item in the product backlog. Say the item is worth X number of man hours to complete, or X story points. The interval will be the duration of each iteration in the software development process for which the velocity can be measured. This would often coincide with the sprint length, which is often 1 week, 2 weeks, or even up to 4 weeks. So now that we have the units of work and the interval defined, the velocity is simply the count of how many units of work have been completed in that set interval. So the main point of velocity is to tell a team how much work they can complete in an interval based on how quickly similar work has been completed in that interval. However, velocity tracking does have a fair amount of criticism. If work has been poorly estimated, then the effect of velocity tracking is massively reduced. If work items are underestimated, it may seem that the team has not done that much work in this interval. If work is overestimated, then it may seem that they've done way more. Velocity tracking is a poor measurement for performance. Secondly, velocity takes the amount of work done and not the actual quality or benefit to the user into account. Velocity is often misused as a measure of the team's efficiency, when it is actually just a measure of how much work they have completed. It can be increased by adding team members or by working overtime, neither of which increases the team's efficiency. So while velocity tracking can be helpful, it is often misused and is easy to manipulate. Thank you for listening. Please give a like if you found this helpful, and leave a comment if you'd like other videos in this kind of format. Cheers.